This is one of the largest RC cars we've had on this channel. It's the 7303 from MJX. In fact, it's the largest RC car MJX have ever made. So exactly how large is this RC car? Well, this is the 14303 from MJX, and it's a 1/14th scale. And this is a 1/7th scale 7303. And isn't she gorgeous? It's equipped with a 3974-2500 kV censored brushless motor, 120 amp ESC that you can change all the settings with the app and Bluetooth. The servo is a 35 kg digital. The weight without a battery is 5 kilograms. Full-time four-wheel drive with front, center and rear differentials. It comes with 2 sets of tires, tarmac and gravel. So every time I look at this car, it makes me smile, ladies and gents. There are a couple of issues that I personally feel concerning the price of this car, and that's the fact that a few of the stickers were not quite straight, not quite in the position they should be in. That's really irritating. If you can't put them straight, send the sticker sheet with the car and let us do it ourselves, please, MJX. Thank you so much to Make a Fire for organising this car and sending it to me. I know it's a lot of money and I really appreciate it, so thank you. The other thing that I just want to bring up just quickly before I tell you the price is the controller. It's functional, it does the job, it's got the LED button for turning the lights on and off, but it feels just a smidge cheap to me. For a $500 US RC car, it should be a little bit better than this. You know, for an extra $5 US, they could have upgraded it a lot more. So this is $499.99. If you use John Robinson RC, all in one word, you'll get another $25 US off. So you'll be getting this car for $475 US. Do I think that is a good deal? Yes. Very much so, and I can say that confidently because I paid for the Armour Fire Team and the Armour Felony with my own money. It'd be expensive, so this is a steal. Now, if you live in America, currently there's several of these cars on their way to America. Make a Fire have organised this, so you'll be able to buy this car for $455. What a bargain. So if you want to order and you live in America, it'll be, just as I said, at the end of this month, and then, well, $455 is really quite a bargain, I think. So currently we have the 2S battery in this car. I have brought the 3S and the 4S. I'm not going to be actually measuring the speed runs today. The reason for that is my next video, we're going to take it to a nice flat area. We're going to be putting the GPS on it, lowering it a little bit, and let's see how fast it goes then. So, how good is this? Let's find out together. Just to clarify, we have the 2S battery in here right now. The car does have a gyro, which is absolutely fantastic. And the power button, that's turned on, is right there. Really, really good location. So let me just put it down. Then if I lift it up, you'll see the wheels turning, showing the gyro. So how fast does it go on a 2S? Let's see. That was max throttle there. Come on. Not too fast, but probably fast enough. She looks gorgeous. I'm very worried about damaging this shell. A replacement is not cheap. Editor John here. I'm just going to leave as much footage of this car in as I can because it's that good. She was clean once, no more. That is the top speed. Oh, oh! This car handles like a dream. Enough of that, let's put in the 3S. Just quickly, just so you know, you see this here, there's a little slot there, and that's what the side of the shell fits into as well. So how fast will she go on a 3S? Let's find out. Whoa, significantly faster. Do you see the weight of the car is meaning that the power slides are so easy. Oh my God, this car is amazing. Little Scandinavian flick there. That was not. As I always say, ladies and gents, if it makes you smile, it's worth the money. So how fast can it go, do you reckon? Very fast, methinks. Ready, Colin? Yeah. Remember, this is just 3S, not 4S. That's max throttle. Colin's giving me a filthy look because he's just had a face full of sand. Sorry about that, Colin. Right, let's try 4S. Woohoo! So, ladies and gents, as you can see, this has a 5,000 milliamp hour 4S battery, and there's more than enough room. But both these two battery trays can be extended out another, what's that, 3-4 centimeters out. So you can have an absolutely huge battery in this car. The space is just immense. Right, so this is the 4S mounted. Let's see what it can do. Oh, it's lovely. I'm gonna let Colin get out of the way a bit. You all right? Did I hit you a bit with the stones? Yeah. My apologies. It's occupational hazard, Colin. Ready? Oh my God. That has enough power. I'm in love. I truly am in love. It's a bit weird, Colin, because the fire team and the felony that are both 1/7, I was always nervous driving them. I don't know if it's because I was worried about spare parts or what. But this one you could just throw around. It looks so realistic. I don't know if you can see, ladies and gents, but you have a realistic cockpit inside as well. Two drivers there. I say realistic, it's not really realistic, but there are two drivers in there, I promise. So let's say it's Petter Solberg and Phil Mills. Woo! I've eaten more Maltese sand today than I ever have, and I'm so happy about it. Right, okay. Should we test it on tarmac quickly? Should we test it on tarmac quickly? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh! My theory was I was going to try the brakes, not realizing it was so dusty. It does have the gravel tyres on at the minute, so it doesn't have the tarmac tyres. Oh my God, this is amazing. Colin's turn.
Straight to the 4S.
Yeah, you're going straight to the 4S,
Yeah.
yes. You don't need 2 or 3S, Colin. You can just get on with it. Go. What do you think?
It's really easy to control.
It is, isn't it? The gyro obviously helps, but just the actual overall ability is just fantastic. So I wanted Colin just to try the 4S on gravel as well. Go, go. So what do you think?
Handles very well.
Does it?
I think it has just the perfect amount of power for everything.
Yeah, definitely. So out of all the RC cars that we have, would you buy this one?
Definitely.
I think it's one of the better handling ones. I like the weight to it because it's actually just the right amount of weight, so you feel like you can swing it around.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so impressed. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? I'm in love. I really, truly am. It is gorgeous. We've had no damage, nothing's bent. The only thing that, unsurprisingly, is the front lip's taken a bit of a beating. Considering what we've just put it through, that is absolutely unbelievable. The bigger surprise here, ladies and gentlemen, is John did not manage to roll it. But unbelievably, nor did Colin. What? That is crazy. It just goes to show how the center of gravity is so low on this car, and having that extra weight, the car settles so quickly. I've been thinking about this while we've been filming. If I have the fire team, I have the Armour Felony, and we now have this one. Which one would I buy? I get nervous when I'm driving the Felony because if I break something, it's going to cost so much to repair. The fire team's just such a big car. It's not my go-to. It's a lot of fun and very spectacular, but I'm constantly worried about hitting somebody and breaking their leg. This one is just the right size. It's big enough. It looks impressive. For the price point, oh my God, it is definitely worth it. So, can I recommend this car to you? I think you can already know, yes, 100%. And I believe that Colin can as well, as he's already said that he would purchase this himself. So thank you so much for watching. The links are in the description for this one, so please use the links. And as I said, if you live in America, you also get it a little bit cheaper at the end of this month. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. You did big. Is that big? No, it is small. That big. I get so embarrassed though, Colin, you know. It's crippling embarrassment. This is the first test drive of the absolutely freaking wonderful, absolutely gorgeous 7303 from MJX. Do we like it, Colin? Yeah. That's the enthusiasm we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen, don't you think? Do you like it, Colin?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, man. I'm a professional, aren't I? How much have I forgotten, Colin? Because I obviously have. Haven't I? Oh. I mean, I always do it in one take, but then when we stop, I'm like, oh, I forgot that. Oh, I forgot this. Have I forgotten? I haven't forgotten anything. I'm a professional, I am.